Hello again, everyone. I'm here with some really exciting Chic Sparrow purchases. So in here we have a Scout, which I will explain when I open that, and then I have a new bag from Chic Sparrow as well. I couldn't put the box on the table because it was too big, so I'm actually going to keep this in its bag over here while I unbox or unbag this one. So I think we should have enough room with this off to the side here. So I'm just going to get the package out of here. And then take that out of the paper. Let's see. Yet another little bird sticker. I need to start giving those away with purchases, with things I sell. I am going to be listing, if I haven't already, some notebooks on Facebook. The buy sell trade groups on Facebook are the ones that I sell through. What I might do is wait until I post this video so that after this video, if you all are interested in seeing the ones that I'm selling, I will put a link to the buy sell trade groups that I normally sell to. I'll go ahead and put that down below. Basically, I need to do that so that I can recoup some of the cost of these things, basically. So what I will do is I will post those. I'm going to post this on a Monday, so I will post those probably the following Tuesday. So that way you all will have a chance to look for those. All right, so anyway, going back, and I'll probably include some of these stickers when I send them out. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here. I'm actually so excited about this. This is a black Maverick. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I am like already totally enraptured with it. So what they did so these are called Scout, and what they did is they put Maverick leather on the outside and then they put creme leather on the inside, because the main problem with doing a deluxe in the Mavericks was that their machines couldn't handle thinning the leather. I think that was the main issue. But if they use the creme on the inside, it's not really a problem. And I already have a black Maverick, but I have been really wanting one in my regular size B6 Slim, so that's what this is. And I'll open it up here in a minute so you can see the pockets, but I am still I'm still really excited about the outside of this texture. It's the one that I have is sort of crackly and more like a desert sun texture, but this definitely seems to have some lightning strikes going on. So what they did with the Maverick leather is this Maverick leather that they used were remnants, which is why they had so few to sell, and I know a lot of people were upset that they weren't able to get one. Basically you have to be super fast, and you know, even then it might not work. So I was just really happy. I knew what I wanted. I went in and I was like, I want a black Maverick in B6 Slim, and that's what I got. And everything else was sold out by the time I I did that. So I was like, okay, that's fine. If that's the only thing I get, I am totally happy with that. So I will go ahead. Let me actually give you another view of the full outside here. This is just gorgeous. This is like all I could have hoped for in a Maverick, a black Maverick no less, and with black stitching. I love matching stitching, so I am just in heaven already without even having opened the notebook. So the other thing about these, well, and I love black creme, so you know, how could you go wrong? And these are also in the cascade pockets, which is this is just like the trifecta of wonderfulness for me. I'm not sure if I'm going to move into this right away for my everyday carry. I will at some point do that. I've been moving around quite a bit. I really loved the Moroccan pink that I had my everyday carry in, but I thought I should move it to something else, so I moved it to another notebook and then a different notebook, and I'm trying to find something that I'll use for a little while for right now. I still really love the pink. I may end up moving back into the pink, quite frankly. but this is definitely a contender, and this is going to be, along with my other Black Maverick, a notebook that I will probably never ever sell because it is, you know, I just love it. I love black notebooks. I thought that a lot of people didn't like them. I think, but it sounds like more and more people do. But I think the reason why they kind of stopped carrying, not necessarily the Maverick, but some of the other black leathers is because it wasn't selling very well. So, but I love black leather, and this is basically like my perfect notebook right here. So I am over the moon with that. Super, super happy. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop petting this now and put it aside so that I can show you the other item that I got on the same day. So this was kind of a fluke. Yes, and another little sparrow sticker. I'm not gonna open that just yet. What was I saying? I got so distracted because I'm just like really in love with that notebook. So I purchased the Scout, and then I got a text that said that the Route 66 were back in stock. So I had put in a notify me when they're back in stock when the Route 66 were actually on the site. Then they got completely taken down, and then I had kind of decided, well, I only want a Cheyenne Tote size, which is a little smaller than the regular tote, because I do actually have a larger tote already in a different color. So when I saw the notice, this was literally like the second after I finished with this order, and I was just like, whew, I was able to get something. Like, I'm super happy. And then this came in, and I was like, well, let's go look. So I went and looked, and they had the Cheyenne Route 66. So I just tried to purchase that, and it went through too. I was kind of floored that I was able to get both in one day. This part of the order certainly was a fluke. The other one was because I was directly very much trying to get that particular notebook. So let me go ahead and open this up and stop talking. Oh, so pretty. I'm not going to be able to get the whole thing in the camera. Oh, and this is like a perfect size. It was rolled up a little bit in the bag there. This is just totally a perfect size. You don't get, I don't have my regular tote out, but you don't get a front pocket with this smaller size. There are, let's see if I can get it. Oh, and I love the texture on the back here. That is just so pretty, where it's all kind of wrinkly in the back here. And this, even though it may not look like much now, it will patina over time, and it will definitely get much, much darker, and it'll kind of look like a buttered rum over time. At least that's what they say. And it comes with these branded silver rivets. So pretty, and the little Chic Sparrow logo there. But yeah, this is basically a perfect size. So this is going to be a little awkward. I apologize. Let me get in here and see if you can. Oh yeah, so I think I can get you a fairly good view. So it doesn't come with all the accoutrements that come with the regular size tote. So the regular size tote has a front pocket outside, and then it has this pocket, this similar style pocket on the inside, which is a little bit bigger, and then it also has a keychain, and I forget what else. But this is just the pocket on the inside, and then an open bag for the rest. So I would say, let's say this is about 3/4 of the size, I would say, of the tote. It's really hard. I could even get it out, but even if I did, doing the comparison is going to be almost impossible given my setup here. At some point I may try to get a higher camera stand, but the space in which I film has a sloped ceiling, so I'm pretty much at the maximum height that I can get with the camera. So I've been thinking about moving it elsewhere so that I can do more larger scale art projects in front of the camera, but we'll see how that goes. But anyway, let's get back to this. So this has a gorgeous texture. It looks like there's some little natural spots in the leather. This I do not plan to baby at all. I plan to just kind of beat it up and let it age and scratch and do whatever it's gonna do. So because I do definitely want to see some patina on here eventually. I don't know what leather the straps are in. I wonder if this is actually speaking of patina, I wonder if it's actually the patina leather. I would have to check to see if there was some information about that. But I am super excited. I know that some people were able to get some second chance versions of this notebook. I was like, good on you. Like, I didn't even look. I just got this one. And if the listing is up, I do believe that they're going to be stocking more of these at some point. At least that's my impression. So just, you know, put in your information to get a notice if this is what you're looking for. The text works the best. I think that's what happened to me. The text came in, and if it hadn't been a text, I wouldn't have noticed. So if you're really super eager to get this one, in particular the Route 66, either in this size or in the larger tote size, definitely put in a notice or your information for a notice for that. The Scout, I don't know whether they will be back again, because like I was saying, this was with remnant leather. I don't know if it was remnant creme leather as well, but so it was remnant leather on the Maverick leather. But there have been a lot of people asking for them to stock it normally because, you know, everybody loves Maverick and everybody loves Deluxe. Not everyone. I understand that there are some people that don't like that. But there is a demand and there have been requests. And the last I heard from Jennifer at Chic Sparrow in the Facebook group was that she will think about it. So we'll see. So stay tuned. I can't guarantee that these will be back in stock ever again, but you know, keep a lookout. They're called Scout, so you know, put that as a search term in the website and see what you can find. There seems to have been a lot of consternation lately about limited availability of products, and I think, you know, part of it is that's kind of a good problem for Chic Sparrow to have, right? Because they have so much demand and they're a small business and they can't necessarily always meet demand. So, and you are getting handmade products that are, you know, really high quality and all of that. So I just feel really lucky to have gotten this and the bag on the same day, but I do recognize that there's some people who were disappointed. So, but this way you can at least see what it looks like, and hopefully, I hope they'll be back personally, because I would probably purchase maybe a golden colored one with the creme on the inside, or the dark brown. I mean, I don't know. But anyway, I'm hoping that my notebook purchases are going to settle down for a little bit, because I don't know of any things that I really want to get in the near future. I'm hoping that will be the case. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I am going to be destashing a bunch of my notebooks. They're not all Chic Sparrow, so but some of them are. So the Chic Sparrow ones I will be putting up for sale on one of the buy-sell trade groups on Facebook. I also have some Sojourner notebooks, which I'll be putting on the Sojourner buy-sell trade group, which also it's not just a buy-sell trade group. So, and the other notebooks that are different brands, there's like an all TN buy-sell trade. I'll put a link to all of these groups down below. If you are not a member, you probably will have to specifically request to be a member. So like I said, I'm posting this on Monday morning, and I'm probably going to be putting up my notebooks for sale on Tuesday. So you have, if you are seeing this in sometime in the future after I posted this, you know, that ship has sailed, and I apologize. But I do tend to try and keep things sort of in a rotation where if there are notebooks that I'm just not bonding with, or for whatever reason I have a duplicate or something like that, I will definitely plan to sell them. I do plan on doing another future video too about some notebooks that I'm kind of on the fence about selling, and I thought by doing the video it might help me a little bit to figure out whether I actually want to keep them or if I want to sell them. So that'll probably be in the works at some point too. But like I said, if you are interested in any of the notebooks I have for sale, go to one of the buy-sell trade groups below, and I will be posting them sometime tomorrow. I don't know what time Tuesday. Like I said, if you're seeing this sometime in the future, it may still be tomorrow. Tomorrow may still be Tuesday, but that ship may have sailed. So just look at the date that this was posted, and if you see that and you don't, and it's days ahead, yeah, I apologize, you missed it. So I'm going to stop there. I will leave you with this beautiful view of this Scout notebook. I seriously, I am just totally in love with this notebook. So this will not be for sale, probably ever. But I should have some other interesting ones, and some that I've actually showed on the channel before. So we'll see how it goes. All right, but with that, I will bid you farewell for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Feel free to subscribe so you can keep track of future videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.